it's XL here, back with another video, and I'm going to show you how to use this video editor that comes with Windows. This is my desktop, and there. From this PC you can find basically, there's the video that's being recorded right now, this one. Let's go there. I can find whatever I want in captures. Something short. Is there like something 5 seconds? Here's my default there. I realized the major flaw while making this, I left it where it says 1,100 V-Bucks, even though I have, because I could, you see, that's from my default Lives Matter video, and basically, I'm just going to be showing you how to use this. I'll show you how to make it black and white and stuff. So, first off, you can trim it. So if you don't want the beginning part, right click on it. You can do that. That's how much time you can test it. Yeah, basically perfect. And then if you click done, yeah, you can even split it like right here. Let's say, because you can add text. Click on text, put your text, select the font. Why did I spell default? Default is default's garbage in fine print. It's not really fine print, but okay. Oh, that's cool. It goes into corners. I never noticed that. And you can select how long you want it. Let's not say that because that's my account. Default. That is a default. Okay, yeah. Default. Put it to the bottom. That's just that. But you can't put more than one. So you could split. And you can select what time you want to split it. This is default. There, split it there. And then you can add your text there. Default, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Default. It'll go away. And then where it splits. Or in between the two clips, because it splits it into two. You don't even have to put the text here. I'll just get rid of that text. See, do I remember how to do this? Done. And then in between the two, you could add a title card. Select your background color, black. And so, dance moves, whatever. And you can even adjust the duration. Make it like 0. Not even a half a second. 0.3. Wait a sec. Did I actually just do it perfectly? Oh, no, I didn't. It started. You can add your background music or something. Background music. They have a bunch of stuff. I would not recommend sync your video to their beat. Just anodize. Oh god, no. Okay, it's clown. It could be a clown, I guess. Have it like this quiet, 14 maybe. I wouldn't recommend that, but okay. That works. Make it like 5. This sucks. I don't even hear it. Where'd it go? Make it like 68. This sucks. You could add your own audio files, so I could look under music and I could find. I have all these different songs now. I could add Firefly from NCS. Go check out their channel because they have amazing music. Why? Why would you put it this small? You can select. You can fade out. You could. The video's 15 seconds long. How is it? Okay. Background audio. Get out of here. I don't want that. Custom audio. Let's see this. Are you kidding me? There's 15 seconds of it. This is probably gonna have a background audio with it too. Yeah, this sounds terrible. Custom audio. Put the whole thing. Yeah, it's not that great. I'm just gonna get it out of here. Yeah, the song's good. Yeah, my changes won't be saved. Save my changes. I don't want music in a short clip. You could add 3D effects so you can make it. Okay, yeah, I get it. 3D library. You could literally look at humor. Turn their head into poop. Oh, that's actually a thing. Oh my god, it's actually a thing. Poop head. Smaller maybe. Yeah. Poop head. Quick animation. Swing. Wobble. Hop. It's gonna be a hopping poop. You get like the whole thing. There's a poop on his head. Oh my god. I didn't even know that was a thing. Yeah, put the poop down here. Make it hop. Done. Hey, why didn't you save? Dumb thing. My poop. Edit. Oh, my poop's gone. Poop. Make it hop around on the ground, like right there. Hop. Hop and poop. Make a big one. A big poop. Make it hop around for that long and done. So yeah, guys, there's not as a jumping poop. Aw, my poop's gone. Poop in there the whole video. The little poop. Now you can put filters so you can make it even black and white, which is called inky. The only thing colorful is the poop. Really. And you can cut the audio too to this, so I can make it go. And So I could add actual custom audio, like the sad violin. And then now it's like, excuse me. Why isn't the video working? Oh. And why isn't it inky? It's only this one's inky. But the poop's still there. So yeah, that's basically all you need to know about it. Except you could add motion, which I did. It's not, so now you can make it zoom in like this. That's zooming out. I don't want to zoom out, you stupid. Zoom in center. So basically default lives matter. I swear if OBS doesn't work. Okay, good. Ah. Okay, good. OBS is still working. That's great. So, that's basically all you need to know about this. If you want to save it, you go to finish video and select quality. 540p, that's odd. I've never seen that before. I would recommend leaving this on. Or turn it off if you see like pink or other color glitching the lines, because that's happened to me before. I've had to turn it off. But that might be my monitor though. I'm not about to do it, but you would do export and it would save. I mean, that's the end. You could add, yeah, I already showed you how to add a title card. Duh. Did I show you everything about it? Text, background, duration, that's all you need to know. So yeah, that's the end of this video. That is. You could rotate, I don't even know how to use these, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to. Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed. Hope this was helpful. And goodbye.